Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be comparing two popular mesh Wi-Fi systems, Amazon eero and NETGEAR Nighthawk Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system. We will evaluate these products based on various categories such as coverage, speed, compatibility, and more. If you want to stay updated with the latest reviews, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload new content. Both Amazon eero and NETGEAR Nighthawk provide coverage up to 4,500 square feet. However, if you need to expand your coverage area, NETGEAR Nighthawk allows you to add an additional MS-60 satellite, which expands coverage by 1,500 square feet in comparison to eero. NETGEAR Nighthawk offers faster AX 1,800 gigabit speed with Wi-Fi 6 technology compared to eero, making it ideal for uninterrupted streaming, gaming, and web conferencing. Amazon eero works with most major internet service providers and replaces your Wi-Fi router. On the other hand, NETGEAR Nighthawk can connect to your existing cable modem and is compatible with any internet service provider up to 1 gigabit per second, including cable, satellite, fiber, and DSL. Both products offer similar features such as parental controls, easy setup, and the ability to manage the network through an app. However, Amazon eero offers a subscription-based service for additional online security and network management features, whereas NETGEAR Nighthawk provides NETGEAR Armor, which automatically protects all your connected devices with a 90-day subscription. Amazon eero is slightly more pricey than NETGEAR Nighthawk, with a price of $169 compared to $165. However, in terms of features and performance, the slight difference in price may be worth it. And that's our comparison between Amazon eero and NETGEAR Nighthawk Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system. Which one is better suited for your needs? Let us know in the comments below. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and comparisons. Thank you for watching.